Over the next 4 years, Biden voters will go on to accelerate. They destroyed major cities in this country, firebombed courthouses, they murdered their political opponents. It's all just a dream now. No one remembers. Drew Hernandez remembers. He's one of the few journalists who bothered to cover that as it was happening. He's an investigative reporter, host of the Turning Point USA show Frontlines. We're happy to have him join us tonight. Drew, thanks so much for coming on. So you're looking at, almost in slow motion, Supreme Court justices being intimidated into changing their legal opinions. Sam Alito can't speak in public now, and no one's saying anything about it? Like, what?
Tucker, this is criminal cartel behavior, threatening political opponents or any opposition. This is exactly what we see in third world countries when it comes to their politics. But this is the same playbook we saw in 2020. The far left, these politicians, Democrats, they gaslight their woke mob in order to mobilize them, in order to energize them to commit political violence, in order to literally get political goals done for them. That is literally domestic terrorism. They used BLM to do it. They used Antifa to do it. Immediately after the SCOTUS documents were leaked a couple days ago, I started to track Antifa on Twitter, and immediately Antifa was calling to terrorize their oppressors. And then they took to the streets in LA, they took to the streets in Portland, started to vandalize in order to do just that. This is part of the new normal they want us to accept post-2020, where riots are normal and only the far left could commit political violence to literally get a political point across. I'm not saying the right should do that. I'm saying it's clear that the deep state and the far left is doing this, and they allow it because they're all on the same team. Listen, and this is all about killing and murdering babies, but I guarantee you, Tucker, these people care more about murdering babies than they do George Floyd, and they're going to do more. You just watch. Abortion needs to die, and babies need to live.
I mean, I got to say, it's not even a partisan point. If pro-life groups were physically threatening liberal justices over an abortion decision, I would say you can't do that. That's an attack on the system, which has worked for like 250 years. You can't do that. And no one on the left will call these people out. It's beyond belief. Drew Hernandez, I appreciate your brave reporting. Thank you.
Thank you.